you waiting for me to come?
Of course, it's impolite to start without everybody on the table. The waiter just brought the food, so please sit down.
Ah, thanks.
Wow, you look fantastic today.
Oh, thanks, you too. But I have to be honest with you. I'm hungry. So let's eat, please.
Me too, I'm hungry. Let's eat.
OMG, this breakfast is so delicious as I remembered, isn't it?
Yes, of course. I remember that we came here last time for your birthday, that it was a very special day.
Oh yeah, I remember. All you did for me that day was very special.
Yes, and you know that unfortunately we weren't able to come earlier because of the COVID pandemic.
Oh, don't mention that. It was so terrible because I wanted to plan a special dinner for your birthday, but all the businesses had to close, and I couldn't even be with you that day. It was so sad.
Yes, I remember that during the pandemic we had to stay at home every day. We had to pretty much start being creative and making new things work for us since we were all locked up. And I remember that we were so crazy that people even made a meme about us paying $3 for a Coca-Cola.
We were crazy for real. Hey, by the way, what a delicious coffee.
Yes,
Try to hide that you love this food too.
yes, of course I do that.
But what's the difference with this hotel and my food? I can cook this meal too.
The difference is that it's made with love.
What are you trying to say? What a bad person you are, Marco Cedillos.
I'm just kidding.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.